Ethereum becomes optimistic as exchange churn reaches 190,000 Ethereum. As you today previously noted, the number of coins pending placement in the Ethereum 2.0 contract reached 300,000 ET. In contrast, before that, the network got the critical milestone of 10 million coins locked in the placement contract. According to an aggregated data from centralized exchanges, 180,000 Ethereum left the market on March 18th, not counting Ethereum withdrawals during the trading weekend. Now, one of the most anticipated events for most Ethereum traders has always been in the supply shock, now which is traditionally considered a negative phenomenon. Now, in terms of cryptocurrency trading and investing, if a supply shock occurs, it will likely cause the asset's price to actually spike. Now, Bitcoin balance on exchange hits a new low of 2.5 million. Now, in recent weekly reports, the online data aggregator highlighted that Bitcoin exchange balance reached levels last reached in 2020. Now, the significant exchanges currently hold only about 2.5 million Bitcoin. Now, the week in the review also showed the Coinbase had become the most significant source of churn. Now, the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange had a net outflow of 31,130 Bitcoin for the week, and Glassnode says the trend is very bullish for Bitcoin. Now, the report notes that this has been an ongoing trend for Coinbase, the favorite cryptocurrency site for U.S. institutional Bitcoin investors. Doge market capitalization increased by 600 million as coins rose 10%. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, the market capitalization of the first cryptocurrency rose by 600 million as the coin rose about 10% in the last 4 days following a general recovery in the altcoin market. Now, long-term, Dogecoin remains on the short downtrend and is losing more than 80% of its value to ATH. Now, but despite extremely negative results over the last 300 days, Doge is still showing positive results since the beginning of the year, up about 100% since March of 2021. Clearbank raises 229 million in a sign of expansion. Right? So banking platform Clearbank said that it has raised 229 million, signaling a push for international expansion. Bank of Banks, which partners with crypto giants such as Coinbase and Gemini, said that the round was led by funds advised by Apex Digital, the capital growth arm of Apex. Now, existing investors, CFFI UK Ventures Ltd. and PPF Financial Holdings BV also participated. Now, Clearbank CEO Charles McManus declined to give details of this valuation, but told the blog that the CFFI and PPF's major shareholders now control about 82% of that company. And India introduces 30% tax on cryptocurrency income from April 1st. Now, beginning April 1st of the year, income from cryptocurrency and virtual assets in India will be taxed at 30%, said JP Maharata, chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes. The CBDT chairman said that the proposed 30% tax on cryptocurrency income has been approved by the government and should be implemented next month. However, the implementation of the first percent tax deducted at source has been pushed back to July 1st, and that's what he had to say. Mahapatra said that also the CBD chief announced that the government's net tax collection rose around 48.4% over the year to Rs 13.63 million, the highest since 2018-2019. As well as airdrop Bored Ape used to steal 1.5 million in ApeCoin. According to a study, a vulnerability in the Bored Ape Yacht Club airdrop was used to steal about 1.5 million in ApeCoin tokens. This Thursday, Ape tokens were initially distributed to BASI NFT holders before they became available for trading on the open market. Cybersecurity researcher Checkpoint Research said the method called instant credit to quickly borrow BAYC NFT and buy back a large number of tokens. Now, according to Checkpoint, the main vulnerability to the airdrop was that BAYC didn't check how long NFT holders owned the asset. Thus, the attacker only had to own the BAYC NFT for a short time to get the token. And Ontario kicks Binance out for unregistered trading. Now, Canada's largest province, Ontario, continues its dispute with the global cryptocurrency exchange Binance after the Ontario Securities Commission issued another formal warning to stop trading. Now, in June 2021, Binance sent out a notice to all Ontario users that all activity would cease by December 31st, 2021. This meant closing all active positions and moving funds elsewhere. By a strange coincidence, on December 29th, 2 days before the deadline, Binance sent another notice that users could continue their activities on Binance platform. Cryptocurrency lender BlockFi claims customer data leaked due to a security breach. Now, cryptocurrency lending platform BlockFi said Saturday, March 19th, that an unauthorized third party gained access to some of the customers' data. Personal information, including names, email addresses, phone numbers of most of its customers, may have been accessed. Now, BlockFi said the hack occurred Friday through one of its third party vendors, HubSpot, a sales management platform. In a series of tweets, the firm explained that in its internal systems and, more importantly, the customer funds were not affected. The lender also said that an investigation was underway to understand the full extent of the data breach. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe and follow us for more